I'm gonna do is change this bump out. Go ahead and drop the Cobra bump on there. It's time. I got my jack stands, all my tools. Also, where's my rivet gun? Got my rivet gun over there. Got this, which goes right here. I'm gonna rivet this on this little mount. This one is the left one, this is the right one. Got my GoPro headset, got my rivets, got extra rivets. Got my other tripod right here. Haven't used it yet. Got this man Nick over here. All right, so the first thing is I'm gonna have to go ahead and break these bad boys off this car. Don't feel like doing it. Ooh, we bring the man out of it. Ooh, snap though. Hey, let's see. Just right here. Ah, there she go. All right, bro, so now I got this wheel off. I got my driver's side wheel off. Now I'm finna go ahead and get this flashlight on. I'm trying to hurry up before it get dark. Gotta go ahead and get this screw off right here. Right, that screw off. I get this screw right here. All we gotta do now, put the rivets off in these some bitch. All right, here go the rivets that came with it.
I don't remember how that shit goes.
I'll get these rivets out. This bitch go through like that. Yo, yeah. There you go. Oh, she took. Ah, there you go. That one in.
Well, damn, brother. Sweet honey barbecue.
We was making that shit so complicated.
You just gotta keep on going.
That bitch gets so tough. Alright, so did them three, now do the other three. Oh, boy, my foot getting off on him. Hold up now. I'm gonna try to get this far one first, cause this other one gonna be a motherfucker. Alright, spinning for days not doing this damn screw. See, that one spinning for days, that one didn't.
Man, if you wreck this motherfucker, that's your ass.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, bro.
Bones,
If I wreck, that's what I'm saying, like,
this show
Ford put some cheap parts on here, bro.
Yeah, this your little crash bar right here, but that ain't.
You know what I'm saying? Alright, guys, as you can see, I'm inside the house right now. I'm in the room. I apologize if you guys couldn't see everything on the Cobra bumper. I'm not gonna leave you like some of these videos that I've watched and leave you hanging. But if you also looking for a video of mine that doesn't do you justice, man, I recommend going to check out Derek Band Productions. His Cobra, install video. We are in the room. This is the old bumper that just came off, man. And don't just rush into it. You need to have a rivet gun, the 11mm deep socket. Make sure you have all the tools, bro. Because this wasn't no overnight thing. Even though, we started in the day, it got dark. This wasn't nothing that, we just did, like, without planning. Before we even took the wheels off anything, we looked, make sure, we had everything right. This took months. I had this bumper in here for a while. Right here, I have the rear GT bumper. I will be installing this later on this week. I'm going to install this one. And also, bro, you don't have to go around buying high-priced bumpers. I paid $130 for this one, $160 for this one. This is a shaved GT bumper. It doesn't say Mustang or anything. It's just shaved. Then right here, we have the, old bumper. I don't know why I said I paid $160 for this one. I paid $160 for the Cobra one that's, on the car right now. But anyway, how do you do the rivets? Mine came with the rivets. You just take your rivet gun, rivet another one, another one. Make sure you have it facing down, and also it'll be easy when you fold these flaps. Don't just try to, have the metal piece stick it straight up. You fold these flaps, that way it hang down like that. But on the inside of the car, right here, you're going to have those bolts. It's going to be under there. It's going to be behind your fender liner. You don't have to take your fender liner all the way off. What I did was, just took my wheels off, make it a little easy, had it on jack stands. Make sure your e-brake is up, and so your car won't roll. But I did that, and basically that was it. Did that. Took those bolts off that was on the inner fender line there over there. On here, I don't know why I reached for the GT bumper. I'm just ready to put it on, but reached for those bolts that was right there. Took them off with my ratchet, and that was it. It came right off. Oh yeah, you also have to remove this. This also holds it on. Hell no. Alright, bro, so as y'all can see, man, we got the Cobra bumper on this joint, man. He's supposed to go on the Cobra's bumper. But we got the Cobra bumper put on the car, bro. This is what it looks like. This is just prime, it hasn't been painted yet. It's not gonna be nice. Alright, you gonna come back up. But yeah, we got the Cobra bumper on this thing, man. It looks nice. Like I said, I'm gonna take this grill, go out here and get the grill painted. I'm thinking about the grill delete. That's what I'm thinking about. I don't know. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm finna go ahead and go to the gas station. We finna head back to the Crizzy here, bro. Once again, just check that out, bro. I already got the halos. Lowering springs gonna be on there next. The rear GT bumper, bro. It's gonna be crazy. And we trying to get his car back right, cause he out of the game right now.
New motor on the way. You feel me?
Like what he said. But anyway, bro, y'all like, comment, subscribe, boys. Your boy, that's Ali right, man. And I'm out.